How to remove clothes in Roblox. So if you're going to be using the client version or the app version of Roblox, the process is going to be the same. But on this video, we will be demonstrating using the web version of Roblox. So simply open up any browser out there and then just head straight into Roblox official site and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, removing clothes in Roblox is very easy. All you have to do is just to click or choose this avatar option at the left portion of the screen. You will now then be redirected to all accessories and clothing that you are currently equipped with. So these clothes or accessories right here that has check marks are all the clothes that you're currently wearing. To remove those, what you want to do is just to uncheck these boxes right here for you to remove that specific clothes that you're wearing. And that's basically it. That's how you remove clothes in Roblox.